Hey all, welcome to my channel. Hi Ready. Have you just started your business? Are you looking for ways to increase the sales of your business? Or are you an AI or digital marketing student looking for ways to increase your skills and improve your skills? Then you are at the right place. Welcome to my channel. Hi Ready. Because in this channel, I'm going to post a course on AI for digital marketing and business. Before getting into the technical concepts and before getting into this course, let me introduce myself. This is Banisha with 2.5 years of experience in AI, data science, and machine learning training. In addition to that, I worked with so many IT training centers, colleges, and IT companies. So, in this course, we are going to cover all the AI concepts, prompt engineering techniques, and business growth strategies that you could use for increasing the growth of your business with the help of digital marketing. First of all, let's try to understand what simply is digital marketing. Will you use Instagram, YouTube Shorts? Will you watch videos from YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? Or will you watch your friend's status through WhatsApp? You have used all these things just for time pass, right? Till now, have you ever tried using these tools for your business growth? So, digital marketing is a technology which is used for increasing the growth of your business through these social media applications. It might be an Instagram, it might be an YouTube, it might be a WhatsApp status. So, using all these platforms, you could increase the sales of your business and improve the growth of your business. So, that is called as digital marketing. In this video itself, you might have seen some ads that's popping in. If you go to any website, if you search for particular products, you might see so many ads that's on the right side of the website, or it might be popping in before you get into that website. That is a part of digital marketing. If you are scrolling Instagram reels, you might see some reels where you see buttons like apply for this or buy this product, or like you could do some inquiry about that particular product. That is a part of digital marketing. In addition to that, we have two different types of digital marketing. The first type is organic marketing, and second type is paid marketing. The first type of organic marketing is used for startups or business starters, and second type is used for a little bit grown ones or for the ones who is ready to invest more on digital marketing. If you have just started your business, you might not have so much of money for investing in your business, right? You might be having trouble in investing for getting and selling the goods itself. But how you could invest in marketing, how you could invest in AI tools, in that scenario, what you could do is you could follow organic marketing. Organic marketing is a process of using social media platforms to increase the sales of your business by promoting it, but you are not going to spend even a single rupee. But paid marketing is straight opposite to that. You might have seen some ads for this video itself, right? So they are using these social media platforms to promote their services or their products. For that, they are paying to the social media platforms, or you might have seen some influencers who are sharing their experience by using this product or likewise. So they are called as influencers. So what they are doing is they are paying some amount to influencers to increase the sales of their product through promoting by using the social media, and they are paying to influencers or directly to the social media platforms. So that is called as paid marketing. So I believe you got clarity on the differences between organic and paid marketing. If you are a business starter, you might have confusions like in this course, which kind of marketing we are going to learn. It's almost about organic marketing. Sometimes I might share you about some paid tools, and if you are interested, you could use them. If not, you could just skip them, and I'll definitely be posting an alternative video for a free tool or any free options that is available too. So this course is mostly going to be about organic marketing. So if you are a student, you are learning about digital marketing technology or AI technology of your business starter, you might not so much of money, you might not have so much of money to invest in using these tools, right? That is the reason why I'm preferring organic digital marketing. And why do you need digital presence of your business? Why do you think that you need any social media account for your particular business? The first reason is branding. You are creating a brand. So if we particularly purchase a product from a brand, we will have a trust. So having a brand on social media, and if your customers share a review on that, you could add them on the social media platforms, which will increase the trust of your customers who are going to buy the products in future. So this is how the branding works. In addition to that, the products that you are selling in your particular area where you live, the people who live there might not be in need. In that scenario, what you could do is, by using the social media, you are sharing with every people in this world that I have this product. And when they have that need, what they'll do is they'll contact you through social media. So you could sell your product to those people who never met. What is happening now? Now you are increasing the sales of your business. So that is how your business started growing without even realizing. That is the reason why you should have a strong digital presence when it comes to business. I believe in this video you clearly understood what is digital marketing, what is the difference between organic and paid marketing, and why you need digital presence for your business. In upcoming videos, we are going to see some strategies to improve your business, digital marketing, how digital marketing works, how you could use AI for digital marketing. You might be new to business, you might be new to digital marketing, you might be new to AI. You need not worry about anything because I'm going to teach all these things from scratch. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe it so that you'll not be missing any updates. Bye for now. We'll meet you on day 2.